In front of me is INFINIX Hot 60i, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Password and Security. Then click on Lock Screen Passwords and pick one of those login methods: pattern, numeric password, or alphanumeric password. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, wait 5 seconds to hit Got It in the pop-up. Now create your login method, and if you made a mistake, tap on Cancel at the bottom left corner and redo it. When you're sure of your login method, repeat it to confirm it, and hit Confirm at the bottom right corner. So now, when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!